Okay, just a little bit of an add-on because from what I'm seeing here, there may be a problem in not having enough uh, background to answer a lot of the questions. And I want to clarify something that you'll be getting into today. Okay, when you see something that says solid-state devices, okay, what they really mean is digital devices, digital meaning digital electronics. Up until now, you've been mainly interested in or learning about analog electronics. Okay, those are where things are measured over a range. Okay, and it's a continuous measurement. Okay, with digital electronics, though, you actually measure, even though everything is continuous, you can stop. You can stop at a certain point, take a measurement, okay, take a measurement and put that measurement into memory, okay. That's you put it in a digital device, a memory device, okay. And then when you capture that answer, then you can make a decision. Okay, you can make a decision on that particular answer. Is that number too high or is it too low? If it's too low, we can uh, create a path by which you can adjust it to make it higher, okay? Or if it's too high, the opposite, okay? So that's digital control. That's what we mean by digital control. Basically, it's how your computer works, okay? You put in some information and you ask it to make a decision on the information that you put in. Okay, so this is how many of our electronic items work today. Okay, we use a microprocessor. Okay, the microprocessor gathers all that information and can make a decision. That decision is actually made by somebody that's already programmed the microprocessor. Okay, and that's the best way of controlling anything. So motor starters that use digital control, well, that's the best. That's the best way of going. Okay, and unfortunately, we the electronics course that goes into digital electronics is an ELX course, and not everyone takes that. But if you take it, I will get into that, and it's a pretty interesting course. All right. I'm not sure if it's ELX 1A or 2A or something like that. I forget what number it is, but it's basically logic, okay, and it it tells you how decisions can be made digitally. So the other thing is mechanical devices are analog devices. Okay, they aren't digital devices, but with a digital controller, you can actually manipulate those those devices, okay, mechanical devices, by actually uh, you have your electronics as in digital format, and you basically use a digital to analog conversion. So it takes what your digital decision is, converts it to a analog, so that it's adjusted analogically, and but by the use of digital electronics. And I hope I haven't confused you too much, but that's how it works. Okay. So if you have any more questions of that nature and you're more want to get some more answers on that, just write me or call me up, and I'll try to clarify as best I can. Um, that last course, that last unit was pretty rough. Okay, I hope you find the answers useful to you. All right, and but I don't see a need. I won't ask you questions that are outside the scope of what the course should really be like. The best way to teach this course actually is to have a unit in front of you and work with that unit so that you know what the different parts do. Okay, unfortunately, we can't do that. All right, so we do the best we can. Take care.